The 1.5 inches wheel spacers are auto accessories that add more inner wheel clearance. Whether you are upgrading to wider tires or bigger performance brakes, keeping the back spacing correct will avoid most rubbing problems. If you want to have more accurate data, it is better to measure the wheel gap. By increasing the track width, the contact points of the tires are enlarged, which results in more stability and smoothness. For most car mode lovers, these 1.5 inches wheel spacers are the easiest and most cost-effective way to get a more aggressive stance. Before installing 1.5 inches wheel spacers for your F150, it is important to check that the spacers have the correct size of X-hold and bolt pattern for your F150. With the correct dimensions, you can use these 1.5 inches wheel spacers without any problems. Simple put, the 1.5 inches wheel spacers are almost the same as many law of set wheels. The best part is that a set of quality 1.5 inches wheel spacers can provide a similar effect as offset wheels but cost less. Just like the wheels, forged aluminum is better than cast steel. BONOSS forged FT cooling 1.5 inches wheel spacers are made of high-quality forged 6061T6 and the 7075T6 aluminum alloy. After the unique super forging process, the strength, hardness, and toughness are greatly enhanced. Since aluminum alloy has good thermal conductivity, the aluminum 1.5 inches wheel spacers will dissipate brake heat better. BONOSS forged FT cooling Ford F150 wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better, distributed in petal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer wave rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. After installation, these 1.5 inches wheel spacers become an essential part of your wheel combination. A black hot anodizing coating provides complete protection against rust and corrosion. Due to its metallic properties, the aluminum alloy does not corrode or oxidize easily.